Drones are drastically changing the residential and commercial construction industry in more ways than one. No longer will lives need to be jeopardized during bridge and rooftop inspections. Surveying damage of bridge trusses and supports can now be done faster and safer, minimize the risk for injury, and decrease liability insurance costs. Not only are you able to view live real-time feed directly from the drone, but you also have a digital file to be re-reviewed to ensure accuracy and meet criteria of inspection. And the outcome of this is what? Efficiency and increased productivity, which that then translates into less man hours wasted, but instead used productively. I know what you're thinking. This is too far in the future, but the truth is, due to recent technological innovations, today's drones are bridging the gap between the unmanned systems of tomorrow.